Dear students, today we will discuss about the important questions in the chapter magnetism and matter. The first important question is, this is important for 1 mark. How the magnetic field lines are differ from the electric field lines. The magnetic field lines forms closed loop, whereas electric field lines begin from a positive charge and end on negative charge. State Gauss line magnetism. This is important for 1 mark. The total magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0. What is the significance of Gauss line magnetism? This is important for 1 mark. The significance of Gauss law is magnetic monopoles do not exist in nature, or isolated magnetic monopoles do not exist in nature. Another important question is, mention the SI unit of magnetization. This is important for 1 mark. The SI unit of magnetization is ampere per meter. Another important question is 1 mark. Define magnetization. Magnetization of a sample is the net magnetic moment per unit volume. That is magnetization capital M is equal to M net divided by V. Another important 1 mark question is, define magnetic susceptibility. The ratio of magnetization and magnetic intensity is called magnetic susceptibility. That is chi is equal to M by H. Another important question is, define Curie temperature. This is important for 1 mark. The temperature at which ferromagnetic substance becomes paramagnetic is called Curie temperature. Another important question is 3 marks important question. Write any 3 magnetic properties of diamagnetic materials. The properties of diamagnetic are these substances which have tendency to move from strong to the weaker part of the external magnetic field. These substances which are weakly repelled by the magnetic field. Their magnetic susceptibility is small and negative. Their relative permeability is less than 1. Their permeability is less than absolutely permeability. Their susceptibility is independent of temperature. Behavior of magnetic field lines near a magnetic field is as shown in the figure. This is expelled out of material. Any 3 properties you write, you get 3 marks. Another important question is, write the magnetic properties of paramagnetic material. Paramagnetic material is the substance are weakly magnetized in and attracted by the magnetic field. Their magnetic susceptibility is small and positive value. Their relative permeability is slightly more than 1. Their permeability is more than absolute permeability. Their susceptibility varies inversely with temperature. That is chi is inversely proportional to 1 by T. This is Curie law. Behavior of magnetic field lines near a diamagnetic material in the magnetic field is as shown in the figure. Concentrated in the material. Another important question is, write the magnetic properties of ferromagnetic material. Ferromagnetic materials are the substance are strongly magnetized in an external magnetic field. That is, they are strongly attracted by the magnetic field. Their magnetic susceptibility is large and positive. Their relative permeability is much greater than 1. Their permeability is many times more than absolute permeability. Their susceptibility, they became paramagnetic. The temperature of transition from ferromagnetic to paramagnetic is called Curie temperature. Magnetic field lines are highly concentrated inside the material. They exhibit hysteresis. Any 3 magnetic materials like paramagnetic or diamagnetic or ferromagnetic materials, these 3 materials must and should ಈ 3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಯಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫೆರ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್, ಈ 3 ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬರ್ರಿ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ನ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. Another important, very important questions every time asked in 2 marks. Write the properties of magnetic field lines. The properties of magnetic field lines are: magnetic field lines of a magnet form continuous closed loop. The magnetic field lines do not intersect. The tangent to the field line at a given point represents the direction of the net magnetic field B at that point. The larger the number of field lines crossing per unit area, the stronger is the magnitude of the magnetic field B. Very important question is, this is very important for 2 marks. State and explain Gauss line magnetism. Mention its significance. The total magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0. That is, magnetic flux phi b is equal to summation of b into ds is equal to 0. The significance of Gauss law is that magnetic monopoles do not appear to exist in nature, or isolated magnetic monopoles do not exist in nature. In question paper, in board exam, 2 marks has only state and explain Gauss law ಅಂದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೋದು. 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗಾದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Another important question is, show the properties of magnetic field lines. Solenoid is equivalent to a bar magnet. This is important for 5 marks. Must and should derivationally ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಸೊಲನಾಯ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ per unit length carrying a current I. Let its length be 2L and radius A. Consider a circular element of thickness dx of the solenoid at a distance x from the center of solenoid. It consists of n dx turns. We know that the magnitude of the magnetic field on the axis of a circular coil is given by dB is equal to mu naught Ni r square divided by 2 into x square plus r square whole power 3 by 2, where n is the number of turns in the coil, r is the radius of the coil, and x is the distance of the point on the axis of the coil. Here capital N is equal to small n into dx, capital R is equal to A, and x is equal to r minus x. The magnitude of the field at point P due to the circular element is dV is equal to mu naught n dx ia square divided by 2 into r minus x whole square plus a square whole power 3 by 2. The magnitude of the total field is obtained by summing over all the elements. In other words, by integrating from x is equal to minus L to x is equal to plus L. Thus, b equal to mu naught n dx ia square divided by 2 into integration of minus 1 to plus 1 dx divided by r minus x whole square plus a square whole power 3 by 2. Let us consider the point P very far from the solenoid, that is r is very much greater than a and r is very much greater than L. Then the denominator is approximated by r minus x whole square plus a square whole power 3 by 2, which is almost equal to r cube. B is equal to mu naught n dx ia square divided by 2r cube integration of minus 1 to plus 1 dx into mu naught n dx ia square divided by 2r cube x minus 1 to plus 1, which is equal to mu naught n dx ia square divided by r cube minus L minus L, which is equal to mu naught n dx ia square divided by r 2r cube. That is, B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 into n 2L I pi a square divided by r cube. The magnetic moment of the solenoid is m is equal to total number of turns into current into area of cross section, that is n into 2L into I into pi a square. That is, therefore B is equal to mu naught 2m divided by 4 pi r cube. This is the expression for solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನಾವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ನ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟಫ್ ಅನಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್.